Hello design enthusiasts, are you ready to update your space with the latest trends? Today we're talking about what's out from 2023 and what's in for 2024 in home design. Whether you're planning a remodel or just love keeping up with the latest styles and trends, this video will guide you through the biggest shifts in design this year. Julie Sabia with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty. Let's get started. Starting with what's out. 2023 saw the departure of dark, moody color schemes. Industrial design elements like exposed pipes and raw metal are also taking a back seat. And let's not forget the oversized furniture that was a bit too bulky for smaller, modern spaces. Moving into 2024, the spotlight is on light and airy color palettes. Think of soft pastels, warm neutrals. Furniture is taking a curvier, organic shape, stepping away from the sharp edges of previous years. And as we optimize our living spaces, multi-purpose furniture is a must-have. A major trend gaining momentum is biophilic design. This concept involves bringing the outdoors inside, promoting a healthier and more serene living environment. Expect to see more natural materials like wood and stone, along with plenty of plants and maximize natural light. Sustainability continues to be a key focus. Eco-friendly materials are not just in style, they're a necessity. From recycled glass countertops to bamboo flooring, sustainable choices are becoming integral in home design, reflecting a growing awareness of the environmental impact. Lastly, smart home technology is seamlessly integrating into our lives and homes. Automated systems for lighting, heating, and security aren't just convenient, they're stylish and energy efficient, blending beautifully in with modern aesthetics. And there you have it. As we say goodbye to our trends of 2023 and welcome the exciting new styles of 2024, remember, the best space is one that feels like home to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for updates on more home design. Share your thoughts on these trends in the comments below and let us know what you're excited to incorporate into your home this year. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.